Hi students, good morning. In this video we are going to see the subjects PQT, PRP and also PNS subject, first unit common. In that first unit we are seeing multiple choice question. Already I had uploaded 66 multiple choice question as 6 videos. If you didn't watch that, go and watch that videos. It is already uploaded in our channel. This is the last video for multiple choice question. I had prepared 71 multiple choice question and this is the last video. After this video, I am uploading the handwritten notes, but only the channel member can get access to that link. So if you want the handwritten notes, means join as a channel member and get access to that link. If you had any doubts regarding the channel membership, means you can clarify your doubts. So now let us enter into the video. The time in hours required to repair a machine is exponentially distributed with perimeter lambda equal to 1 by 2. What is the probability that the repair time exceeds 2 hours? Here they had given lambda value as 1 by 2. So lambda is 1 by 2. Then for the exponential distribution, the PDF is lambda e power minus lambda x. Then we have to find out x exceeds 2 hours. So P of x greater than 2, which is equal to, greater than 2 means 2 is the lower limit. So integral over 2 to infinity. In the place of lambda, we have to replace with 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 into dx. So let us integrate this and find out the answer, which is equal to 1 by 2 into, on integrating this we will be getting the answer as e power x by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. Limit is from 2 to infinity, which is equal to 1 by 2 into, now let us bring this to the numerator, it will be simply minus 2. Then on applying the upper limit, it will become e power minus infinity minus e power 2 by 2, which is nothing but minus 1, which is equal to, so minus 1 into e power minus infinity value is 0 minus e power minus 1, which is equal to, minus and minus will get cancelled. So the answer is e power minus 1. So we have to find out the value for e power minus 1 using the calculator. So let us take the calculator and find out the value for e power minus 1. Here we are having e power x. It is in yellow color. So use the shift button. Then use the bracket for referring the power value. E power minus 1. Here it is e power x they had given. So simply for the power I am using the bracket. The answer is 0.3679. So simply 0.36 they had given. So here the option is C. Or otherwise here if it is simply E, if you want to use E means you can use this red color E, so you can use alpha button. If you want to apply any power for E means you have to use this yellow one, so you have to use shift button there. Then next one, what is the conditional probability that a repair takes at least 10 hours given that its duration exceeds 9 hours? For the same problem, they had simply asked the conditional distribution here. So probability of x greater than or equal to 10 given x greater than 9. So we have to find out this one. So for that we are using the memoryless property of exponential distribution. So memoryless property of exponential distribution is P of x greater than m plus n given x greater than n equal to p of x greater than m. So let us compare with this one. So 10 can be rewritten as 9 plus 1. So p of x greater than 9 plus 1 given x greater than 9 equal to, so on comparing this, so if it is here 9 and 9, so the answer is 9 and 9 will get cancelled, so we will be getting the answer here as 1. So p of x greater than 1. So on comparing this, n value is 9 and m value is 1. So x greater than 1 is the answer here. So we have to find out this one, x greater than 1. So x greater than 1 means 1 is the lower limit, then upper limit is infinity, then lambda e power minus lambda x, then in the place of lambda we have to replace with 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 into dx, which is equal to 1 by 2 into, on integrating this we will be getting e power minus x by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. Limit is from 1 to infinity, which is equal to this 1 by 2 will get cancelled with this 1 by 2. One negative sign is there, so I am writing minus 1 into, on applying the upper limit the answer is 0, then minus, then applying the lower limit as 1 we will be getting e power minus 1 by 2. So which is equal to simply e power minus 1 by 2. So let us use the calculator and find out the value for e power minus 1 by 2. So here shift button, then this one, then within bracket we have to type as minus 1 by 2 or otherwise minus 0.5. So this is equal to 0.6065. So 0.6065, which is the option C. That's all. Next one, if capital X is a normal variate with mean 1 and variance 4, Y is another normal variate independent of X with mean 2 and variance 3. What is the distribution of X plus Y? So what is the distribution of X plus Y means we have to find out the mean and also variance of this X plus Y. So let me write the given terms. Expectation of X, which is 1, then variance of X is 4. Similarly, expectation of Y 2, then variance of Y is 3. Expectation of X plus 2Y equal to expectation of X plus 2 into expectation of Y, which is equal to expectation of X is 1, then 2 into expectation of Y is again 2, which is equal to 5. 5 is the value for expectation of this one. Then next is variance of X plus 2Y, which is equal to variance of X plus here for this 2 we have to write as 4. 4 into variance of Y, which is equal to variance of X is 4 plus 4 into variance of Y is 3. So 12 plus 4, 16. So the answer is 5, 16, option A here. Then next one, area under normal curve is 1, so which is unity. Then next one, mean of uniform distribution is simply mu. That's all. So we had completed uploading videos for the first unit. Share this with your friends and support the channel. Thank you.